Hey guys, we're so happy that you clicked on this episode of AFI's DIYs. I'm Katie and today we're making Clear Colorless Shampoo. If you're needing a product to add to your line, this can be a perfect fit for you. The process for this is fairly simple, so let's take a look at the recipe. For supplies you will need a double boiler, device for mixing, safety goggles, rubber gloves, and a container for storing the product. To make 9 ounces of product, you will need Phase 1, 5 ounces or 48.9% of deionized water, 2.88 ounces or 28.2% of Stepan mild LSB, 2 ounces or 19.5% of Steel CS230, 0.24 ounces or 2.34% of Nylol 96 SL, Phase 2, 1 milliliter or 0.28% of fragrance, 1/2 teaspoon or 0.78% of preservative. Phase 3, citric acid, sodium chloride. AFI has so many fragrances that would be perfect for this product. My favorite part of any DIY is getting to pick which scent I get to use this time. Today I'll be using amber. It smells so sugary and warm. Before we get started, it's important that we're wearing proper protection. Go ahead and put on your gloves and safety glasses. Alright, let's get started. For Phase 1, combine your deionized water, followed by a Stepan mild LSB. Next, add Steel CS230. And last but not least, Nylol 96 SL. Next, heat to 165 degrees Fahrenheit while mixing. Once the mixture becomes uniform, begin cooling to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you're ready for Phase 2. Add your preservative and fragrance. Finally, use the citric acid to adjust the pH level to 5.5, in case it's higher than that. Use sodium chloride to adjust the viscosity. The only thing that's left to do is packaging. As you can see, this formula is not too complicated, so if you're needing a product to add to your line, this will be a perfect fit for you. It costs us about $1 to make, and you can sell it wholesale for $2 to $3 and retail for $4 to $6. If you like this tutorial, be sure to check out our video on how to make hair conditioning cream. Thanks for stopping by our channel. Be sure to hit the notification bell to tune in for more DIYs. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!